This is a quick flip through of the 2025 Jibun-Techo starter kit. These are the stickers that come with it. This is some information that came in the back. The pencil board with an elastic band that you can use as a closure. I don't know Japanese, so I'll have to translate that. This is a pocket that was on the back cover. It's nice. You can add pictures, ephemera, whatever in there. It's big and spacious. There is one on the front as well, and there's 2 bookmarks. When you open it up, there's some more information on the cover there. This is book 1, the life book. You have your life stream, your 100 wishes list, personal motto, life plan, some additional pages, and then you have the anniversaries for each month as you flip through. You have a Japan travel map, and then you also have a world travel map. You have My News that goes from age 0 or birth all the way into 99 or 100 years old. After that, you have your family tree, and then some additional pages to expand on that. Next, you have an emergency contact list. You have your password hint list, financial management, medical records, and favorite photos. And that is the end of book 1, and this begins book 2. This is 3 books in this planner. This is a how to use page, and it has all the lists of things that are in there. This is an example page of how you can use the planner. And then you have your year at a glance, 2024, 2026, and 2025. Your year at a glance, where you can fill in the days. You have an age chart and my dreams for 2025. A money plan. A Japan map again. You have a weekly plan in there. You also have a 100 wishes list. This is favorite phrases. I'm going to use it for quotes. A recommendation list. A book list. Movie list. And gifts received and gifts given. This has a lot of lists in it. I like it. A promise list. And then extra pages to make whatever you want. This is the months at a glance. It begins in November of 2024. And it goes all the way through until 2026 into April. Then you begin your monthly calendar. It begins in November 2024 as well. Has all of the months of 2025, and then this goes into 2026 again as well. You go into March 2026, and then you begin your weekly. This begins in 2024, November, the last week of November. And then you flip through and it has all of them through 2025, and then I believe it only goes maybe 1 week into 2026. We'll see here in just a moment. There's 2026. Yep, that's correct. Okay, and looking back on 2025, a Tokyo route map, Osaka route map. You just have a bunch of maps on here with the key at the very bottom. You have a personal data. And then the end sheet there. And then this is the end of book 2. And then this is the third booklet, which is just a graph booklet. It's blank, which I think is a great addition for any extra information you want to add in there, any extra lists, notes, whatever you need to put in there. At the very back, there's a pin loop, and then also a card slot, and then one other big pocket that you can use to put some more ephemera in. And then that is the end of the Jibun-Techo 2025 flip through. Thank you.